My name is Matt Mahoney. I am a union carpenter from Local 51, working at the MBTA Everett bus repair shop. I have several hats. At the T, I do normal bench work, carpentry work, as well as the CNC operations for our shop here. Our shop has just about a dozen carpenters, and across the system, we have over 40 carpenters at the MBTA, all union carpenters, all good union jobs. I'm proud to be here. My workflow, it might be a little bit different than others. Any given day, I can start with one job. I can start with a job of plastics that have to be, maybe I have a 2-3 day lead time. I look at the job board, say, okay, I'm gonna knock out 1, 2, and 3. We come in at 5 a.m. By 7 a.m., it's entirely possible that someone comes in and interrupts my flow, and I have to pivot. But this is designed for pivoting. Once I create one program and it's successful on the machine, I can instantly pivot to what is necessary when it's necessary. I'm not a craftsman, I'm not fancy. Nothing I do is gonna be mistaken for a work of art. But I love producing, I love fast pace. I love collaborating, I love all of it. And the visual part of this and the speed part of this, it speaks to me. We do bus floors here. Some of us just work on floors. Some of us work on walls and doors. We do thousands upon thousands of chalk blocks every year. The chalk blocks that look like the little wedges painted red with a canvas strap, that's us. Our biggest item here, believe it or not, is different styles of pallets. We take care of all those solid wood items, which when you're palletizing something that's 1,000 pounds, that's something that takes a little bit more. And then within all the plastic worlds, everything non-conductive. So if it's plastic or Lexan, or plexiglass, anything. It includes the closing doors for the gates in the train systems. It includes the blue line windows, could be the non-conductive handles I was working on today, all of it.